as well, but the rain that's been coming into the east and the southeast of the country, you can clearly see the cloud on the satellite picture here, some quite dark clouds billowing on the horizon, and it looks as though by the time we get to the second half of the afternoon there is a light at the end of the tunnel, a few glimmers of brightness coming through into Kent and Greater London, but the rain will have moved into the Midlands, so here the weather will be going downhill as we go over the next few hours or so. A few spots of rain across northern England too, but the best of any weather today is actually across Scotland, anywhere from Dumfries and Galloway through the Western Isles, some autumn sunshine here, and across Northern Ireland. So far it's not been too bad today, and that's how it's going to remain. And across Wales, well, the best of the weather in the west. Towards the east, well, the rain not too far away from Cardiff by around about 4 o'clock in the afternoon. And as far as the southwest of the country is concerned, apart from a light shower, it should be a mostly dry day. Now, as we go into the evening hours, that rain moves a little bit further westwards. It turns cloudy for most of us tonight, so that means that temperatures across England and Wales won't actually drop off too much. We're talking around 12 degrees. The cold spots will be across the north of the UK. Now, first thing tomorrow morning, once again, we wake up to cloudy skies across the southeast of the UK, but fortunately it won't be raining as hard. 13 degrees for London, the starting temperature. And really, as we swing across the Midlands into northern England, no real change here. Fairly cloudy conditions, 10 degrees in Newcastle, that's 50 Fahrenheit. And the cold spot, the far north of Scotland here, I suspect even at 8 o'clock in the morning there could be still a little bit of ground frost around in one or two places in rural spots. That is 7 degrees in Belfast, starting temperature, and for Wales as well, fairly overcast too. For Cornwall, Devon, Gloucestershire, Somerset, once again, a cloudy start to the day with 11 degrees. But the good news is that as we go through the mornings, we'll see in just a second, the sunshine does try to poke through that cloud. I think the best chances of seeing some good weather tomorrow, well, that's across western parts of the British Isles, because tomorrow we still will have that breeze coming in off the North Sea, bringing 1 or 2 showers, but I think overall it's not going to be too bad a day. Temperatures of around about 16 degrees Celsius, so not bad for any sporting activities. That takes us into Sunday. Of course, we've got the half marathon, the Great North Run in Newcastle to South Shields, 15 degrees, so not too cold, not too warm. In fact, for most of us across the UK, Sunday isn't going to be too bad.
Thomas, thanks.